Okay, here's another situation. We're on yellow. Alright, I want to know exactly how you would go about potting out here, which order you would go, how you would attempt to get the yellow out into play so you can get your out. Alright, would you pot this one, then pot that one and try and knock that out? Would you pot this one, try and knock that out? Would you pot this one and try pot that one and knock that one out? Would you just pot that one and knock that out? Let me know. Go pause the video, go like, subscribe, put your answer in the comment section. I will read it later on. I'll give you my honest opinion if it was a good choice or not. Don't be biased. I'll just tell you as it is. Alright, hopefully you guys can learn from it. Doesn't mean I'm right. Alright, sometimes we all see shots differently, but I'll give you my honest opinion. Hopefully you can learn through my experience which ways to go. Alright, so come back after you've done that and now you'll see the answer. Alright, so the way I would go, I would pot this, alright, and not try and get down there and try and pot that and knock that out, or try to get down here and pot that. Too much pressure to knock that out. I want to try and knock it out with no pressure on. Okay, so I'm going to pot this one, leave myself a natural angle here where I can pot that into there, come off here, hit the red, pushes the yellow that way, alright, or just brings it into play, but knowing I've got these two soldiers there as a backup if I kiss it wrong. Alright, so going the right way can help you even if you don't hit it 100% perfect. Alright, so I like to use natural angles too. I don't try and pot and get right behind another ball. That doesn't bother me. The tables are small anyway, so you're not playing a big long shot. So just stop here. Alright, use your natural angle, pot that. We can come up the cushion, cannon the red, bring it into play, have these two in a nice spot. Alright, so this is what I would do. Alright, just going to just roll it in. Alright, I've got my natural angle now. So all I need to do is pot that with top spin, come up the cushion, cannon the red. Alright, then the out's there for the taking. So, bang! Now the out's nice and easy for me. Alright, I just got to drop them in and I can go game. Alright, so it's all about going the right way. So, did you get that right? Hopefully you did. Alright, on to the next one. Tell me what order you would do, how you would attempt to get these two reds into the open and make your out. Alright, do it before I show you of what I would do. Alright, so would you pot this one, that one, then go down there, then pot that and break those two out and then clear up that end? Would you do it sooner? Let me know in the comments. Alright, before we get any further, like, subscribe to the channel guys. You can even super fund, help support what I do. I'm going to start showing you guys a little bit more about the game and talk about it more. Alright, and answer some questions. So if you've got any questions about this type of out where we're facing right now, please put it in the comment section. I'll try and answer as many people as I can. Alright, so if you said you would pot this one and that one and then go down and try pot that and that, well, I believe that's wrong. Alright, always try and get into these balls straight away while you've got enough soldiers left on the table. Alright, don't leave it till you've only got two balls left. Alright, unless it's absolute basic to pot and get into them straight away. Have a look straight away. Have you got the angle? You have. Look at this. We've got a nice angle here. We can attack and hit that, and if it bounces back out, we're on it. We kick them two open because it's going to push the reds down that way. Could be on those ones too. If it comes back out like that, you get your worst kiss. You've still got these as a backup, so don't just pot this and that straight away. While you've got this nice angle, you can pot that, come down, hit them, open them, still be on that. These ones, if you push them into a nice spot, then all your balls are nice. Okay, so this is where a lot of people make mistakes. They think clear up all these balls first down this end of the table and then worry about that down the other end of the table. It's not the case. Alright guys, sometimes when you've got the perfect angle to get into your balls where there's trouble straight away and there's no danger if you hit it, that you're not going to be on another ball, 100% play it. You need to play these type of shots. Don't be scared of leaving a couple of balls up this end. Alright, pot it. You got a nice angle straight away here to go like that. That's just top spin, touch of right hand side. That's all it is, just top spin. If you play a top spin, you'll go straight towards the middle pocket. But this is a natural angle, just top spin, a little bit of right hand side. Okay, you don't even have to hit it hard because you only just want to break them out into the open. Alright, so have a look and give it a go. Alright, so I'm going to do it. Alright, so just top spin, right hand side. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, guys, please. Okay, as you can see now I've created a very nice opportunity now. They're all on. Okay, and this is what you've got to do. Attack the dead balls straight away. Why you got other soldiers on the table. Alright, so put in the comment section, is that what you would have done straight away, or would have you put the other ones and then waited a little bit later to attack that situation? So let me know in the comments, guys. Alright,